Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Travis here with JT Wealth. In today's video, we're going to talk about the insane new Tesla price target from ARK's Cathie Wood. So let's get into it. Alright everybody, welcome back and thanks for joining us. If you're new here, appreciate you checking out the channel. Hopefully you find some value in today's video. If you do, guys, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We're super close to 100,000, and leave a comment in the comment section down below. Now let's take a quick look at today's video topics. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we're going to cover the new Tesla price target from ARK's Cathie Wood, how that creates a $3 trillion valuation, and what happens if she's right. We're going to talk about, is Tesla a buy now? And what about everything that's going on with Volkswagen? And of course, if you're here to see Julie, check her out on the TipRanks channel, where she does Monday through Friday pre-market morning update videos on that channel, as well as some afternoon videos for them as well. So don't forget to check that out. Last but not least, if you're looking to check out a new brokerage, whether it's for stocks or for crypto or whatever the case may be, there's some great links down below that help out the channel. There's a Webull link, there is a BlockFi link, and then there's an M1 Finance link as well. We also reopened the Patreon, so consider joining that and joining the community as well, guys. Now let's get into today's video. So the big news comes from a Benzinga article. Cathie Wood, ARK Funds, lays out her new $3,000 price target for Tesla shares and what investors should know. So that $3,000 price target, guys, is pushed out to 2025. So that's when she anticipates that $3,000 price target for the Tesla stock coming to fruition. Now let's take a look at how they came about that number. Within the article, it says ARK Funds uses a Monte Carlo method based on a series of simulations to determine the probability of different outcomes with random variables. A total of 34 inputs and over 40,000 possible simulations were used to create this new price target. The bear case from ARK Funds is for shares of Tesla to hit $1,500 by 2025. The new bull case from ARK Funds is for Tesla shares to hit $4,000 in 2025. So it would appear the $3,000 price target by 2025 is just the average between that $1,500 and $4,000 price target. Now looking at the growth ahead, ARK Funds said Tesla can sell between 5 million and 10 million vehicles in 2025 after new technology and production improvements. Tesla sold over 500,000 vehicles in 2020. The average sale price for Tesla's electric vehicle was $50,000 in 2020, and ARK calls for that figure to come in between $36,000 and $45,000 in the new price target model. For the first time, ARK Funds is including opportunities in insurance in its forecasting model. Now, Tesla introduced its insurance product in 2019 and is currently only available in California, but ARK believes in the next few years Tesla could roll out insurance to other states underwriting its own policies. Now, ARK's updated pricing model for Tesla also includes assumptions on fully autonomous driving. ARK estimates the probability of delivering fully autonomous driving by 2025 at 50%. Previously, ARK had listed it as only a 30% chance by the year of 2024. Now, Cathie Woods is a notorious bull for Tesla, right? And she previously had given a split-adjusted price target of $800 for the Tesla stock, which came true earlier this year. And as you all know, Cathie Wood doesn't just talk, she puts her money where her mouth is. Tesla is the largest investment in 2 of her ETFs. Both her innovation and next-generation internet ETFs hold Tesla as their highest positions. Cumulatively, that's 10.5% of both ETFs are held in just Tesla. Now let's take a look at a Barron's article which talks a little bit more about what Cathie Wood's prediction really means year over year. In the article, Cathie Wood's new Tesla price target is out and it's a doozy. Barron's highlights that Wood's expected $3,000 price in 2025 means that she expects to earn 50% a year on average just from the Tesla stock between now and 2025. So even though you might consider $3,000 to be a massive growth over the next 4 years, right? When you look at it as 50% a year, that's fantastic. So this is duly enjoyable. Now this new price prediction is getting a lot of attention, including from Mad Money's Jim Cramer. So let's take a look at this article. So here in this article, also from Benzinga, Cramer says a $3,000 Tesla price target would just be hype from anybody but Cathie Wood. Cramer says Wood is so good at stock picking and valuing companies that her model of 400% upside in Tesla's stock has some merit. If Bernstein's Tony yes, that name, assigned a $3,000 price target on Tesla, Cramer said he would think the Bernstein analyst lost his mind. On the other hand, Wood's comment could get the stock going. To sum it up, he says Wood may have a better grasp of how exactly Musk is planning to reinvent the entire grid than anybody else. So all that being said, is Tesla a buy right now? In this article from Investors Business Daily, it says Tesla stock is a screaming buy now if Cathie Woods' ARK is right. If ARK is right, that means there's still nearly 360% in potential upside in Tesla stock from Friday's close. A gain that massive would take Tesla worth upwards of $2.9 trillion, more than any S&P 500 company is worth now. Apple is currently the most valuable S&P 500 company, valued at $2.01 trillion. And here's something I really like. ARK's new price target works out to a compound average annual gain of 36%. What would that mean for your portfolio? A $10,000 investment right now in Tesla stock at today's price would be worth $45,812 in just 5 years. Alright, but what about Volkswagen, guys? Everybody has been talking about Volkswagen's entry into the EV world, their new battery setup, all of this. So how are they going to compare with Tesla? Or at least how does Cathie Wood think they're going to compare? Well, this article is titled, Why Cathie Wood's ARK is Unimpressed with Volkswagen's EV Battery Plans. The article says Cathie Wood's ARK Investment Management remains unimpressed by what it describes as linear thinking of Volkswagen on batteries. ARK analyst Sam Corris touched on Volkswagen's Power Day in the company's weekly newsletter on Monday. Noted that high-level takeaways such as the German automaker's plans to produce 240 gigawatt per hour of batteries reduce the battery costs by 50% and adds 18,000 fast charging points by 2030. In ARK's view, companies with old world DNA are unlikely to transition quickly enough to dominate the new world. Often the difference between old and new world DNA are the plans for linear versus exponential growth trajectories. Tesla's current goal for 2030 of 3 terawatt hours of annual production is 12.5 times that of Volkswagen's. Elon Musk has always thought big, and this is no exception. This is an outside company trying to jump into the EV world and figure out how it's done. Meanwhile, Elon is just planning for bigger and better things. Now let's round this all out by taking a look at a $3 trillion threshold graph and talk about the final points of today's video. So here you can see this graph from Bloomberg says, reaching for the stars, Apple and Tesla valuations are seen soaring to $3 trillion by 2030. You can see Apple listed with their market cap in white and Tesla's market cap listed in blue. So just some final thoughts here. Do you think there's been an eruption of the EV makers causing an erosion to the sector? I think all of the new EV companies may have caused the Tesla stock and some other stocks like NIO to dip down in price a little bit. So that's something to consider. But the Tesla price targets of $3,000 by 2025 on average create that $3 trillion market cap we're looking at here in conjunction with Apple. On a bear market side, you're still looking at a $1,500 price target by 2025, and on a bull case from Cathie Wood, $4,000 by 2025. So we've got some fantastic potential for Tesla in the next 4 years. Now, the previous predictions proved true from Cathie Woods, so there's a lot of confidence in what she says. Now, are you or are you not going to buy now? Full disclosure, I do hold several Tesla stock. We're not going to get into how many, and I do also plan on buying more in the near term. So all of the shares that I hold for Tesla and the ones that I'm going to purchase in the near term, I am going to be holding long term. So this is a stock that I plan on investing in now and holding for years to come, well in excess of the 2025 target she's mentioning. That's pretty much it, guys. Just a quick video. So what do you guys think about the $3,000 price target? What do you think about a $3 trillion valuation? The fact that they're going to catch up and possibly surpass Apple so quickly? What do you think about Cathie's predictions for Volkswagen? If you have an opinion on any of those topics, please leave us a comment in the comment section down below. Let us know what you think. And again, if you liked the video, guys, don't forget, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know you're here, and consider joining the family on our Patreon. As always, I am not a financial advisor, nor am I your financial advisor, so nothing I'm saying here is designed to give you advice on what stocks you should or should not buy. Do not listen to the crazy guy on YouTube, and this information is just for informational and educational purposes only. So thanks so much for joining us, guys. Hope you have a good day, and bottoms up.